This program is brought to you by RHB and The Star. Hello guys, we meet again. I am Hani Madhu and you are watching RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge 2011. This episode brings us to the land of the Hornbills, Sarawak. With its rainforest filled with exotic flora and fauna, Sarawak is also home to the famous Gua Nia and Sungai Rajang, the longest river in Malaysia, vast flowing with might and valor. Okay, so it's time to see whether our friends over at the Spring Kuching are actually flowing with creativity and ideas. Let's go! Pakcik, jom! Today our friends from various schools in Kuching will be battling it out in math, science and general knowledge in two categories, the lower secondary level, F123, and the upper secondary level, F4, F5 category. The competition has not started yet, so let's just ask them a few questions. Alright, Aaron, what have you done to prepare yourself for this competition?
Well, to prepare myself for this competition, I did some research online, went to the school library, do some research also, gone through many books and asked teachers.
How do you guys prepare together, Alicia?
We distribute the things we need to study, like he studied the general knowledge, he studied the maths, and I'm going to study the science subjects.
How are you guys feeling this morning?
Really nervous.
Okay, when do you guys get a chance to study together?
Only just now because we saw a lot of students and we kind of got like intimidated.
Whoa, only just now. How long do you guys have to study together?
Less than an hour.
Less than an hour.
Yes.
Okay, here we go then. Question number 1. We are playing for real. Joseph looked at a glass of ice water and remarked, "Mum, isn't ice supposed to sink in water since it is solid? Why does it float in water?" Which of the following best explains Joseph's questions? The answer for question number 1. There we go. Ice is less dense. That's the reason. 17 of you getting it right. Encik Khalid took a loan to pay for his house and business over a period of 15 years. What is the loan called? The answer, we're looking for mortgage, a mortgage. Got a mortgage on your house. While scuba diving at a depth of 20 meters, Sun Kai released air bubbles of 0.1 cubic centimeters. After some time, the volume of the bubbles released was 0.2 cubic centimeters. If the atmospheric pressure is 10 meters of water, calculate the new depth of Sun Kai was diving. And the answer we want. 5 meters is the answer. 13 of you getting it right. Parasan is a teenager plagued with pimples. Which of the following traditional treatment can best remedy his problem? And the answer we want is A. Apply a paste of turmeric. 24 of you getting it right.
The top 10 list of teams in both categories that made it to the next round. Congrats! For the F123 category, teams have to construct a communication system with at least 2 restaurant tables. Diners must be able to notify the waiters from their table that they are ready to order or to pay the bill. Wow, that is very useful. It's now time for them to explain their creations.
Basically, it's just a series circuit, nothing too fancy. You just press once to order and press twice like this if you want to pay the bill.
For the F4, F5 category, Teams have to construct a loading and unloading storage system that enables a movable vehicle or trolley to transport goods to be stored on shelves at a certain height and to retrieve them later from the stored position when required. Teams may use a combination of a motorized lever and pulley system. Oral presentation time and followed by the buzzer session.
This platform will be lifted and there's a green indicator here, which means that the pulley has reached its maximum level. After you have taken the goods you wanted, you can unload it down this inclined plane. And since it's an inclined plane, it will be easier to go down to the vehicle you want to transport it away.
Bang, yang kecil ni berapa? 3 ekor. Wow. Hey, kucing is roaring. Come on Sarawak, do your best. Bang, saya nak 6 ekor yang kecil.
Correct the mistake in the statements which follow. Ahmad visited Aquaria KLCC. He saw that the shark had 5 pairs of gills and his tail fin had 2 equal-sized lobes. What is incorrect in that statement? Team C, your answer.
5 pairs of gills.
5 pairs of gills. Sorry, okay, the judges said that's not the answer they want, so we've got to pass there. Team B, what's your answer?
2 equal size lobes.
Can you elaborate, please? Yeah.
The lobes are equal.
The lobes are
Unequal.
unequal.
Congratulations, the lobes aren't equal. Siti Nuhaliza told Khalid, if you want to marry me, the number of hantaran trays should be equal to divide by 40 by half and add 20 to it. How many hantaran trays could Khalid bring? Team C.
40 trays.
43 trays. 40 trays is not the answer. Team B.
100.
Did I ask you to give an answer?
Yes.
Yes, give us an answer. Your answer is?
100.
Congratulations, you got it right. Team B gets the answer. 100 trays, Our government intends to introduce a new form of tax to replace the service and sales taxes. Name the new tax.
GST.
Okay. Team B, first to buzz in, even the second time. What's your answer?
GST, Government Service Tax.
Congratulations, give a round of applause, Team B. The answer, GST, or Goods and Services Tax. Okay, since you said GST, it's actually Goods and Services Tax, not government. But the judges have ruled you get 2 points. In third place, we have Chung Hua Middle School, number 1, Team 1. We are going to announce the champion first. The champion will come out, okay? RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge Sarawak. Champion goes to College DPAH Abdullah Kuching. Team 1, congratulations. Give them a round of applause. Our champions, they will represent Sarawak in Kuala Lumpur soon. And in second place, SMK Green Road Kuching. Give them a round of applause. 3 young ladies. In third place, we have SM Lodge Team 1. SM Lodge Team 1, give them a round of applause. I'm now going to announce the champions for RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge Sarawak. Champions going to SMK Jalan Arang Team 1. Cool cats, very cool. Second place going to College DPAH Abdullah Kuching.
It's not easy beating so many schools in Sarawak, but they did it from College Abdullah, the champions for today! In the lower secondary form, what would you tell your friends, to join this competition or to not join this competition?
To join because it's a fun way of learning general knowledge. Yeah.
Did you like the fact that you got to meet other students from different schools?
Yes.
Are they all nice or are they all like too busy answering questions?
They are too busy.
You guys are champions!
Yes!
on a scale of 1 to 10, is this competition really hard? 10 being the hardest.
I'll
What's
give
your
it
scale?
an 8.
What about you?
9.
9. You?
A 9 too.
A 9. But you guys are still champions out there. So you have any message to all your friends out there who wants to join this?
Never give up. Always strive for the best. Yeah.
Okay, what about like preparation-wise? What do they have to do to prepare themselves for this competition?
Read books and surf the net and get as more possible as the information as they could.
You? What about you, Josh?
I just read more newspapers and watch more TVs.
So, there you have it, the mightiest minds of Sarawak. Congratulations, guys. Now, don't go anywhere because coming up next is another leg of RHB The Star Mighty Minds National Challenge 2011. So, where to now? Can you guess? Kuantan dan, Melaka dan, Sabah, Seremban dan...